You got pulled over in Houston? Here's exactly what the officer can and can't legally do and what most people get wrong. As a former prosecutor, I saw people give up their rights that they didn't know that they have all the time. I'm going to show you the line. First off, officers can ask for your license and registration. Despite what some of our fellow residents feel, sovereign or not, the rules of the road apply to anybody operating a vehicle on that road in the state of Texas is that you have to have a license and proper registration. Officers obviously can ask for proof of that. They can ask for you to step out of your vehicle. When they do this, it's often because it's going to make them feel safer. Something about the encounter that's making them feel uneasy, and I promise you that they feel safer, you are safer. During that encounter, they can ask you to step out. And they can also run plates, and they often do. Sit in traffic, run plates, and pull people over for anything that they see that comes back while searching your plates. Now, officers can't do several things, and one of those is search your vehicle without your consent or probable cause. Simple Fourth Amendment analysis there, that would be unreasonable. They need evidence, they need articulable facts to engage in a search. They cannot detain you past the original stop purpose. There's actually U.S. case law on this, that if they hold you too long, for instance, if you were speeding, they want to keep you there 45 minutes until they can get a canine out there because you won't consent to a search, well, that will be an unlawful stop. And finally, they cannot force you to answer questions beyond your identification. After you have identified yourself, there is no reason for you to engage in this back and forth interview or interrogation. You can simply invoke your right to remain silent since you have been stopped and you're under investigation at that point in time. One of the number one reasons that I saw cases kicked out of court was Fourth Amendment violations, either not a good stop or a prolonged stop that was not reasonable. At the end of the day, you can help yourself if you've been stopped by a police officer by following some pretty simple rules. Be polite, give your ID, say that you don't consent to search, and ask, am I free to go? These are your rights. Use them.